Hey, you watching this video? You watching on your phone right now? You watching it without earbuds? Well, stick around. I can help with that. Hey everyone, welcome to Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host Adrian, and today we're talking about the Enacfire GEEK True Wireless Earbuds. What makes these earbuds special? Quite a lot actually. For one, they have a 13mm large aperture driver. That's 4 times larger than the average driver. These allow you to have music reproduction at 20% louder frequency, giving you more treble and more bass. The Qualcomm QCC3020 chipset, along with the AptX codec, gives you an unbreakable transmission between your device and your earbuds. CVC 8.0 noise-canceling technology reduces sounds from environmental noises and gives you a clearer voice pickup for all your phone calls or conference calls. Semi-in-ear design combined with the 105-degree angle gives you a much more comfortable listening experience with less fatigue and less backup in your ear canal. And who really wants that? IPX8 waterproofing makes your sweaty workouts a breeze when it comes to listening to these earbuds. Okay, the performance is fantastic, but how long do they last? Quite a while actually. 6 hours on a single charge, along with a 30-hour charge pack and a USB-C design that makes recharge much faster. Just picking up these earbuds allows you to automatically connect to your device. You can also control volume, music, voice call easily with a simple tap of the earbuds. So we unboxed the product, and it comes with a 2-year warranty, and that's how confident you should be in this product. All right, so these are all charged up, took no time at all. Let's give them a test run. All right. Open them up right here. Oh. What's really nice about this is that when you put them on, it already tells you power on. I'm just gonna take my phone, and you see here, you'll see on my phone it says Enacfire, and it's already connected. If you are using these for the first time, you do have to put them inside your ear before it pops up to connect. But I don't really see that as an issue at all. All right, I feel like playing a little music right now. Yeah, super clear, super easy to hear, great bass, really good treble. Just, yeah. Fantastic. And to pause, that's simple. Volume, just the same, just the exact same. I get on a phone call right now, but I just want to stick with you guys for a little longer. Well, that was the Enacfire GEEK True Wireless Earbuds. Thank you so much to Enacfire for sponsoring this video. Please check out the link in the description below to get these wonderful earbuds. They're a great price, $39.99 with a sale right now on Amazon. Once again, please check out that link below to get these great earbuds. If you like this content, wherever you're viewing it, please like and subscribe for more Good Tech Cheap. We want to get these deals to you guys. Thank you so much. Stay safe.